Right now I'm about to go, I think, just walk around and kind of see what's near where I'm staying. I love my hotel. This was $30 US a night and it comes with breakfast. It's myself in the mirror. Bed, table. I mean, it's a little small, but it's working. Laos already feels so calm and chill compared to like the busy life of Hanoi. I also just think it's so interesting because prior to this trip, when I would tell people about Laos, a lot of people didn't even know like this country existed, and I didn't even know that it was a thing like 2 years ago. So to actually be here now is just such a weird, crazy feeling, and there's like not many tourists, so it just feels super authentic, and I'm just excited to explore. So let's go.
Many things for the natures, not so green like this.
I'll be there. I could make it all up to you. And I'll count down the days. Don't say that you wanted to. 'Cause I heard the rain as I felt you coming. And I heard my name. And you broke my head in two. I'll celebrate on the day that I get the news. And I'll count down the way. I'll be wishing that I was you. But I can't crawl away the way you went.
Yeah, so normally this.
So I'll stay half away. And I guess that you do.
So Florida, you have crocodile, right?
Made it back home.